Welcome to the second part of this Choy Li Fut basics. So in the first part, hopefully you've done all that now. We went through the basic stances, the basic punches, basic blocks, basic kicks. And in some of the other videos, hopefully you've already seen the basic strikes, some of the animal hand forms. So you're picking up quite a lot of techniques now. Okay, so what we need to do now to take our Kung Fu to the next level is we need to start tying it all together, putting some foot movements in there, and coordinating the strikes and the blocks together. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a couple of the stance movements first and join them together, and then we're going to link them up with some hands, so you have a couple of good exercises to get started with. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to be facing this direction as if our opponent is here. We're going to stand nice square horse stance. Okay, so we're going to use that horse stance as our basic stance. Okay, and then what we're going to do first of all is we're going to do the stealing horse, which is the Tao Ma. So in this case it's going to be our left foot moving. Okay, so get yourself ready. Get in stance. Nice square horse. Okay, and then now the left leg, we're going to step back behind the right leg. Okay? Step back. Okay, now, most of you, if you're not a trained fighter, it's your natural instinct when an attack comes at you is to move back. Okay? So we want to employ that natural reaction in how we work. Okay, so that's why we use the Tao Ma, the retreating stance. So we're going to pull away, and then we're going to come back again. So it's going to be the left leg pulling away, the right leg going back again. Okay, just like this. Get yourself ready. Okay, left leg away. Now the right leg. And step back, so we're going to be facing the other direction. Guarded like that. Okay? So that's the first one that we want to get down. Step away, move back in. So we take distance and then we cover that distance again to counter the opponent. So I'm going to give you 3 different options for that in just a second. So let's first just do a couple. We'll do left side away, right side back, then right side away, left side back. Okay, let's do this together. Nice square horse stance. Left side away, right side back. See, and a guard change as well. Guard change. Now the right side away, and the left side back. So then we're back where we started, so we can do that a little bit faster. Now if we want to train the legs really well, then we're going to keep down nice and low so that the legs are working hard. Keep the hips close to the ground. So now we're going to have 3 different versions of that, okay? Which we're going to tie up with 3 different blocks and 3 different strikes. Now if you remember from the basics part 1, we looked at the cup choy. Now the cup choy, you can also coordinate this one moving away. So as somebody comes at you, you step away with your right leg and bring the right fist down. Step away with your left leg, left fist down. Bang, bang, bang. Okay? The cup choy is very effective for smashing somebody's arm out of the way when they try to grab you or to hit you around the head area. You can smash that nice flat fist straight down. If you catch with the knuckles into the vital point or onto the elbow, you could really damage somebody's arm like that. And if you time it with your step, then there's a lot of weight coming out of the back there. Boom. Okay? So try that one as well, moving away, moving backwards. So it becomes a very natural thing for you to step away and smash punch in a defensive movement. Okay, so now let's get back to our first exercise. We're going to use the cup choy. That's going to be when we're coming back. Okay, so first of all, if you think about your basic blocks, ga, peat, quan kyu, yang kyu, jab, sao. So we're going to take the peat, so that's the striking down with this edge of the hand. We're going to take that as a, so let's say somebody's trying to come with a forward kick. So we're in our horse stance, we're going to move away, step behind, and block. Okay? Push away. Now the right foot's going to step back, and this right fist is going to come with it. The hip is connecting everything. That's really important in Kung Fu. The hip has to connect everything. So turn in the right foot, smash punch down. Okay? So, step away with a peat, smash punch with the right hand. And of course we could do the other way. Right hand peat, left hand smash punch. Okay? So try to play around with that a little bit. Make sure you're stepping behind your right leg. Step behind, okay? So just look from the back here. Step away, step back again. So then you're employing that natural recoil action into your movement. So that's the first one. Okay? Now the second one, we're going to use the ga. So the ga is the upper strike, striking block. Again with the outside edge of the hand, the heel. You want to use this bone right here, which is a nice hard bone. Okay, so we're going to do the same step, except this time someone's attacking to the face. So we're going to roll that palm up as we step away and block up. Now the right foot's stepping back again. This time we're going to give a straight punch to the rib cage. Straight punch. Okay? So, ga up and straight punch. Okay? Number 2, that is. Now we'll go with number 3. So number 3, what we're going to do on this one is we're going to use the tune out block, which is hooking outward to the corner. So that's a dragon, like a dragon block. So we're going to use that one as we step away now. So let's say someone's trying to grab. We're going to clear both those arms away as we step to the back. And when we come back around again, then again we're going to use another different strike. Okay? This time we're going to go with the Chongnan Choy, the panther fist. Nice panther fist up into the eye. Okay, so we get ready again in our horse stance. Square horse stance, nice and wide. The attack comes with the left foot. Left foot's going to step behind the right foot. And we're going to circle out with that claw. Okay? I want to do that this way so you see how much circle goes in there. So anything coming into this range, hopefully is going to be moved, cleared away. So as I step back now, bring this up and around into the top corner. And then now as I push forward with the right foot, straight up into the eyes. Okay? So again, see him from the side angle where we started. 1, 2. Okay? Step away and return. Okay, so those are the first 3 that I want you to try and work with. And again, like I say, you're using different blocks. Understand which blocks you're going to use against the kick, which block you're going to use against the straight attack, punch. So that would be number 2, the ga. And your strikes, you can vary your strikes. Start out with these ones that I've given you. So the first one was with the flat fist, cup choy. The second one was a straight full fist into the rib cage, side of the ribs. Obviously that's advantageous if you're nice and low down. You can smash into the rib cage from the side where there's little protection. That's going to do some damage. And the last one was with the Chungnan choy coming up into the eye. Now all of those we were using the Tao Ma, stealing horse stance. So we're using that natural recoil as we go back to counter. So if you look at the yin yang behind me, now you'll see, so here, as I pull away, I'm covering quite that distance. But now as I go back again, in this case with my cup choy, I'm going to cover all that distance again with my right foot and go back over there. Bang. Okay, so this is important. Don't just stay on the spot. You need to move back again. Okay. So you can start off with that, and also one simple hand combination for you to try. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are 5 blocks you can put together. That's a Chunao, Kwa Choi, Kam Sao, Chinji, Bujong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you can work with that. Start out real slow. Palm, inside fist, outside fist. And eventually it's going to get nice and smooth and fast. Okay? Enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.